to All About. Today we're gonna take a look at one of my most used greens, YG17. And I usually combine it with YG03, but we are doing both. We're doing the family combination and the bonus combination. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, nib replacements, ink refills, and Prismacolor pencils open stock. Thank you. With YG17. On top of it, we're using YG13 and then YG11 to underpaint. This time we're underpainting with B34. We could use B32, but again, for this time, we're gonna use B34. And then it's the same process, YG17, YG13, and then YG11. This is the bonus combination. Is YG17, YG03, and YG00. To me, it looks like a more organic kind of look. Now, here, I would like you to take a look at the chemical reaction happening here. The colorless blender is not making YG17 lighter or moving it, but it's turning it blue. So I say the staining test is a fail because you're not going to be able to just erase it or move it, which is the point of using the colorless blender or even making it lighter. It's just going to turn in another color. For the Prismacolor pencil match, I found two. One of them is going to be on the light side, which is PC912 Apple Green. I forgot to write it before, so I'm writing it now. And you can get to the intensity of YG17. You're just going to have to go quite a few times with it. And then this one is going to be PC911, which is olive green. It's giving it a more organic. I color botanicals, so I always looking for an organic kind of look. Now we're gonna color this butterfly with the natural family combination. This is YG17, YG13, and YG11. Look at the speed that I use. The underpainting goes the fastest. YG17 goes a little bit less fast or a little bit slower. YG13 slower, and YG11 very slow. This is how you will accomplish a really good blend. You just need to give it a little bit of time. Now this is the bonus combination without the underpainting. So review on the speed. Underpainting, fastest. First color, YG17, fast. YG03, medium speed. YG00, the slowest speed. If you're interested in the paper, the markers, or the template that I used to swatch, you can find it in the description box. Everything's there. So this is the natural family combination, YG17, YG13, and YG11. The underpainting was done with B34. Like I mentioned before, it could have been done with B32. It depends on what you're going to use it for. But in this time, I really like B34. It makes it look a little bit darker and desaturates it just perfect. The bonus combination is B34, YG17, YG03, and YG00. I always mention that I always underpaint. So every single one of the bonus combinations are going to be underpainted. The bonus combination this time is more on the organic kind of look. The natural family, I like it, but I think it's a little bit more whimsical maybe. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.